Welcome to this video brought to you by Gospel Beach, your source for music, blogs, tutorials, IT stuff, and beyond. And this is your boy CYB, and we're going to talk about AWS Certified Cloud Practitioner exam, my personal study guide I used to pass the exam a few years ago. And I decided to continue to do these videos because it seemed to help a lot of people. So in this tutorial, I'm just going to focus on databases, but not just databases, but a Q&A to kind of help you remember and help you study, so you'll be more prepared when you take the exam. So let's go ahead and get into it. All right, so these are the databases we're going to be looking at, and we're going to go through each database and kind of test your memory, something like similar to like flashcards. So let's go ahead and get into it. All right, which is a fully managed NoSQL database service that provides fast and predictable performance and seamless scalability. DynamoDB. So the keyword here is NoSQL. That's one of the keywords to know this is DynamoDB. All right, which is a rational database that include Aurora, PostgreSQL, MySQL, MariaDB, Oracle Database, and SQL Server. RDS, Relational Database Service. So the keyword here is relational database and SQL. All right, which is for Apache Cassandra, if I'm pronouncing it right. It's a scalable, highly available and managed Apache Cassandra compatible database service. Key spaces. And the keyword here is Apache Cassandra. If you link that to key spaces, you would know. Always know that that's that type of database service. Okay, which is a fast, fully managed petabyte scale data warehouse service. Amazon Redshift. And the keyword here is data warehouse. So when you see the keyword data warehouse, you can think Amazon Redshift. Which is a fast, reliable, fully managed graph database service that makes it easy to build and run applications that work with highly connected data sets. Neptune. And the keyword here is managed graph or graph database service. So when you think about when you see the keyword graph, think Neptune. All right, which is with MongoDB compatibility, is a fast, reliable, and fully managed database service that makes it easy for you to set up, operate, and scale MongoDB compatible databases. DocumentDB, and the keyword here is MongoDB compatible databases. So when you see the word MongoDB, think DocumentDB. Which is a fully managed ledger database that provides a transparent, immutable, and cryptographically verifiable transaction log owned by a central trusted authority. Quantum Ledger Database, and of course the keyword here is ledger, managed ledger. Which in AWS, complete control over the database engine and infrastructures. Host self-managed database in AWS. So complete control It's the keyword for host self-managed database in AWS, which makes it easy to set up, manage, and scale distributed in-memory cache environments in the AWS cloud. Elastic Cache. And the key word here is in memory. And I included Elastic Cache amongst the databases because it's a storage, but it stores in cache memory or in memory cache. And that's it. I hope this helps. Leave a comment if you passed the test. Leave a comment if I made a mistake or if I missed something. The download should be at gospelbeats.com. Thanks for watching. This is your source for music, blogs, tutorials, and beyond. This is your boy CYB. Until next time.